Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're taking a look at an electric scooter. This is the TurboAnt X7 Pro. You're going to be able to ride this baby for 30 miles. Now in today's video we're taking a look at the TurboAnt X7 Pro. It's a really unique scooter that has a removable battery. And if you're like me and you're using your scooter out and about, when you get it back to your home, you put it in the garage and you like to charge it. Well, in this case, you can actually take the battery out, bring it into your home, and charge it in your home. Saves a lot of time, and it saves all the pain of having to bring in and out a scooter. So the removable battery is one thing. The other thing that you're going to have is a 30-mile range on this scooter. You also have 20-mile-per-hour speed. Now the speed is going to vary based on your weight, but the cool thing about this scooter is that this scooter will support up to 275-pound adult. So a lot of flexibility when it comes to the range, when it comes to the speed, and also the weight size of the individual riding the scooter. Now from a ride perspective, the scooter has a lot of amenities that we're going to see in a couple seconds. First of all, it does have a light, it does have a speed indicator, and it also has a little bell that you'll be able to ring just to let other people know that you're on the way. It also has 10-inch pneumatic tires that's going to give you a really nice, comfortable ride. The scooter is foldable, which makes it really easy if you're going to be commuting, let's say getting on a train, and then you want to use it for like the last mile type ride. You'll be able to even use this to get to your office, for example, if you are still working in an office setting. So now let's take a closer look at the scooter, and we'll also take it on a ride. Now the running board itself is rubberized and it has some dimples on it, raised dimples that it's going to make sure that as you're placing your feet on the running board, you won't slip off. Now when you enable the light, you do have a rear light marker, which makes it really easy for someone to track you at night, and the front light is also incredibly bright. Now removing the battery from the scooter is really simple. All you do is push this button here backwards and push upwards, and the battery releases just like that. At the very bottom of the battery, you'll find your power port here for charging the battery, and this is the area that connects to the scooter once it's inserted. Now folding the scooter for transport is really simple. Once you release the lever on the bottom, all you have to do is fold down the scooter just like that, and you're ready to go. Now it's getting a little bit cold in Chicago, and hey, it's December. We have no snow, so I really can't complain. But it is kind of windy. So the scooter, though, despite the wind, is doing really nicely when it comes to pickup. When you hit the throttle is responsive, and there's also no real rattle. So this is something I really like because, you know, the nice thing about scooters, like electric scooters, is that they're should be completely silent. And one of the things that drives me nuts is when you're riding a scooter that you don't really hear anything but just a little rattling of different parts in the scooter. So this one rides really, really quiet. It also has great pickup, and I'm fighting the wind. I weigh around 175, 180. The scooter is rated to up to 275, and it's riding really well. So you have good performance. When you hit the throttle, you're able to move fast. When we're going through the parking lot here in the school area, it is also doing a really nice job navigating, and just again, the maneuverability is just really good. From a ride perspective, the ride is also really good. So even though this scooter does not have shock absorbers, and I've reviewed some products that actually have either a shock underneath the bed or in the front tires, for example. The pneumatic tires that the scooter has really provide a very, very soft ride. There's no vibration in the steering at all. Everything is smooth. Brake is responsive. And again, the throttle is what you would expect. It's a great scooter. So guys, that wraps up our review of the TurboAnt X7 Pro. See you in the next one.